Hey guys, we received this WeMate password book. It have a lock on the top and comes in a really nice gift box. We received this as a test and try sample. So let me just open it and show it to you. So my first impression is a very nice gift box. So you can easily give it to someone. And then this is a booklet with a leather cover. So and you can see that it have a password number on the top. So just you can take it off and then you can adjust the numbers or set the numbers for your thing. So let me just take this out and then show it to you. So the inside the diary is like the password or the website or wherever the notes thing you want to do, and also have this alphabetical orders. So you can choose the website put based on the the starting initial alphabet, and then just put so it's a thick uh, and the smooth paper or nice GSM papers that you can easily write on the top of it and easily carry it. And you can also set it to protect more. You can set it up with this password, and then it's all protected that nobody can open it. Um, so this is a really nice thing to keep, like especially for old people, like where or the people who don't remember their passwords, and you can just easily set this up. So very nice password book.